How to enter a referral code on Temu. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can enter a referral code on Temu. Now, to apply a referral code on Temu or to enter a referral code on the app is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First, what you can do is you can either do it on the website. If you want to open it website, you can head into the Temu official website, or you can do so on the app itself. Now I'll be doing it on the app. First, what you want to do is you want to open up your Temu application. Now once you open it, you should get an interface like this, as you can see here on the screen. Now in order to enter your referral code, at the bottom of the screen you can see the U option there. You can see home, categories, U, cart, and free shipping as well. You want to simply tap on the U option here, and next what you want to do is here you can see messages. Under messages you can see your orders, your reviews, and under your reviews you can see the option coupons and offers. Simply tap on coupons and offers option, and here you can see at the very top there is enter coupon code option. You want to simply enter in your referral code here, and then you want to tap on apply, and then it'll be used. So this way you can enter referral code on Temu. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.